Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing Manish Wata. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So I'm gonna start off by adding some water to my pressure cooker. I will then go ahead and add some Irish, and of course I'm gonna add some carrots to that, and of course make sure you wash them off nicely before you add them to the pressure cooker. And of course I'm gonna add some goat's head, belly, and tripe, and I will also add one chicken bouillon. Of course, I'm going to add some pimento berries, and I will also add some scotch bonnet pepper. And of course, I'm going to cover it and allow it to pressure for roughly about half an hour before I go ahead and add anything else to my soup. Please be reminded, guys, that you want to ensure that you wash off all of these items before you add it to the pressure cooker, right? Remember to be creative and remember to be you in the kitchen. And all of these items that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. This soup, we normally have it on a Saturday here in Jamaica. Sometimes the most restaurants here in Jamaica, they do cook this soup every day. However, you can always go ahead and try to cook it at home. And remember, guys, to just call off your goat head, belly, and tripe first before you go ahead and add it to the pressure cooker. So once this is finished, I will come back and of course show you guys what it looks like. And remember, guys, that you can always check your local farmers market, and of course you will get the goat head, belly, and tripe there. And of course they normally clean it up nicely for you guys. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like once it's finished cooking. And of course what you can do, you can take up a small amount and you can just use a fork to just crush into it. And if the fork goes into the tripe and the belly without you applying a lot of force, then that is an indication that it is ready. So we're gonna go in, add some chocho, we're gonna add some more carrot, we're gonna add some yellow yam, and of course we're gonna add some more Irish potato to that, and then we're gonna cover it and allow it to cook down nicely. Halfway through, we're gonna come back and then we're gonna add some spinners. Remember, guys, you cannot cook soup without spinners. You need to add some spinners to your soup, so make sure you make up that dough and put it to the side until you're ready to add that to the soup. And make sure you combine everything together nicely again before you go ahead and add the spinners. Now you can add any amount of spinners that you wish to add. It depends on if your family love it. You can always go ahead and add any amount. So I'm going to add quite a few amount of spinners, and basically what you do, you just take up a little piece of the dough and then you just put it in the middle of your hand and then you just roll it using both hands, and that's what we call spinners. So let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried spinners before, and let me know how you like your soup. If you like to add a lot of spinners to it, or if you don't want to add any spinners, let me know in the comment section. So once I add the spinners, of course you want to combine everything together again nicely. And once you combine everything together, you can always go ahead and just cover it and allow it to cook down for roughly another 5 to 7 minutes before you go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add some French thyme. I will also add some scallions, and of course I chop up my scallion. If you don't want to chop it up, what you can do, you can go ahead and just beat it and add it whole. And I'm using French thyme today, like I said earlier. And if you don't have the French thyme but you have the fine leaf thyme, you can always go ahead and use it. And again, I'm going to use this home choice ram goat soup, and I'm using 2 of them. And the thing that I love about this amazing ram goat soup is that it's not salt. You would have to add a little bit of salt if it tastes as if there's no salt in it. So I love that. So once I add the ram goat soup, of course I'm going to add a little bit more salt to it just to bring out that taste and that flavor. And then I'm gonna cover it and allow it to cook down for roughly another 12 to 15 minutes, and then I'll come back and of course show you guys the final product. And this is looking amazing already, and it's very easy and simple. Some persons tend to slow cook the tripe, belly and head. However, I'm not going to do that. I'm just gonna pressure it, and it's very fast and efficient. All right, so this is it, the final product of my amazing ram goat soup. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and remember to turn on your post notification bell. Remember to tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. And I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys.